Hey everyone, Jamie here, and in this video we're going to be talking about how we can use the built-in one-click update functionality in WordPress to update our blog or website to the latest version of the WordPress software. So doing so only takes a minute or two, if that, and what it actually does is it allows you to get the latest bug fixes, security improvements, as well as updates and new features that are built into WordPress. So in order to update, all we have to do is head on over to our WordPress admin dashboard, and in our case we can get there just by going to our URL, so technical.cafe/wp-admin, and then logging in from there. Once we're logged in, we're going to see a screen that looks like this, and if there is an update available to WordPress, you'll notice that it'll appear up here in the top as a notification. And additionally, we can also access the update screen by clicking over here on Updates. And you'll notice here that we have 7 updates available, and that's because we have updates to themes and plugins available as well. But in this video, we're just going to focus on updating the WordPress software. So what we're going to do is click on this Please Update Now button, and what this is going to do is bring us to this WordPress Updates page, and the first thing that's going to be on this page here is the WordPress software. And we can go ahead and see the last time that WordPress checked for an update, which in our case was September 7th at 9:10 p.m., which was just now. If we wanted to check again, we could go ahead and do that. But we still have this update here that we have to install. So installing is actually pretty easy. All we have to do is just click this button, and WordPress will actually go ahead and put the site into maintenance mode and then update the site. Once the site's done updating, it'll take it out of maintenance mode automatically, and then you should be good to go. But before we install this update, a couple of things to note are that you should definitely make sure you back up your website just in case something should go wrong. It's very unlikely that something will go wrong, but just in case, you don't want to lose your posts, your media, your comments, things like that, you can go ahead and do an export from the tools section, or you can use a backup plugin or something like that to back up your content as well. And then another thing that we want to check is that the update, in this case WordPress 5.5.1, is compatible with the plugins and themes that you're using, just in case something is imperative that you have it for your website. If all that's good to go, all you have to do is click on Update Now, and you'll notice that WordPress will go ahead and just start updating, and we'll see it right here on this page. And then you'll see once it's done, we'll have our page here that says what version we're on, and it'll say Welcome to WordPress 5.5.1. So if we come back over here to our dashboard, you'll notice that we don't have that update notification up in the top anymore, and then we'll have only 6 updates to perform on our update notifications. So if we go ahead and check again, you'll see that we have the latest version of WordPress, and then future security updates will be applied automatically, and that's because the WordPress automatic update functionality will install simple updates, but not full-featured updates automatically, like security patches, bug fixes, things like that. If for some reason you do need to reinstall WordPress, simply click on this button, it'll go through that process again, and you should be good to go. So there's also another way to install WordPress, just in case you have any issues with the automatic updater, and that's to download the latest WordPress file from WordPress.com, and then FTP it up to your server and install it that way. And maybe we'll make a video about that in the future. But for most people, the automatic update should work just fine, and should get you the latest version of WordPress pretty quickly. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments section below. Let me know if you have any tutorial ideas, WordPress, web development, anything like that. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.